Hello and welcome to our guide on Bitcoin for beginners. In this video, we will be covering everything you need to know about buying, selling, and trading Bitcoin. Whether you're completely new to the world of cryptocurrencies or you are looking to expand your knowledge, this video is for you. Section 1. What is Bitcoin? Before we dive into how to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, let's first understand what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates independently of a central bank. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin uses a decentralized ledger system called the blockchain to record transactions and verify ownership. It is a peer-to-peer system that allows for secure and anonymous transactions without the need for a middleman. Section 2. How to buy Bitcoin. Now that we know what Bitcoin is, let's talk about how to buy it. The first step is to set up a Bitcoin wallet. There are many different types of wallets available, including mobile wallets, desktop wallets, and hardware wallets. Once you have a wallet, you can purchase Bitcoin through a cryptocurrency exchange. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. To buy Bitcoin, you'll need to link a bank account or credit card to your exchange account and then make a purchase. It's important to do your research and choose a reputable exchange before making any purchases. Section 3. How to sell Bitcoin. If you want to sell your Bitcoin, the process is similar to buying. You'll need to have your Bitcoin in a wallet and then sell it through a cryptocurrency exchange. You can sell Bitcoin for fiat currency, such as US dollars, or for another cryptocurrency. Keep in mind that the price of Bitcoin is constantly fluctuating, so it's important to pay attention to the current market value. Section 4. How to trade Bitcoin. Trading Bitcoin is a bit more complex than buying and selling. It involves buying and selling Bitcoin in an attempt to profit from the price fluctuations. This is done through a process called margin trading, where you borrow funds from an exchange to increase your trading power. Trading Bitcoin is not recommended for beginners, as it can be risky and requires a lot of knowledge and experience. That wraps up our guide on Bitcoin for beginners. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of what Bitcoin is and how to buy, sell, and trade it. Remember to always do your research and be cautious when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching.